'cause mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. They're just getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's waiting to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Since you pushed my love aside, I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head is saying, fool, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on till the end, and that's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Since you pushed my love aside, I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you. When you said I need that in you, and you said you were always there, it wasn't me who changed about you, and now you've gone away. Don't you say that now you've gone, and you left her on my own, that I had to follow you and beg you to come home. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but love you. But believe me, I'll never tie you down. Left alone with just a memory, life seems dead and so unreal. All that's left is our loneliness. There's nothing left to feel. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever.